newly improved for babies, okay? Although I'm also a baby girl. Hello. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy with a beautiful face. And if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and here we do all things related to skincare. I share with you affordable skincare products that will help to get the job done. You asked and I'm delivering. This is my affordable morning body care routine. A lot of you have asked me in the comment section, Amarachi Favy, please can you share your body care routine in the morning? And this is the video. Finally, I have created the video, and I would love you to take your pen and your jotter because you have a lot to learn from this video. Is this kind of video? Is the kind of video that you have been waiting for me to create? Here you have it. Let's just dive into the video. So when it comes to my morning body care routine, I don't do much in the shower, okay? Although to some people it might be much, but to me it is not much. Anything for a glowy skin. So the first thing I do in the shower is to pre-cleanse my skin, whether in the morning or at night. I always pre-cleanse my skin, and for pre-cleansing my skin I normally use 2 pre-cleansing bar soaps, okay? If you have money, you can go for this particular one. This is Dove pampering bar soap, but if you don't have money, if you don't have more coins, I would just say you should go for the Johnson baby soap. Any of these soaps, I use it, okay? It depends on my mood. It depends on my mood that morning, okay? And what is available in my bathroom rack at the moment, okay? So I use this to pre-cleanse my skin. Pre-cleansing helps to get rid of dirt, oil, sweat on my skin, and then get my skin ready for the day, because the day is gonna be a long day, obviously. So I have to start preparing for the day ahead. This one smells amazing and it moisturizes the skin so well. It helps to hydrate your skin and give you a lush looking skin. While this is very mild, very gentle, it does not moisturize your skin as well as the Dove, okay? But it's an affordable option. So if you're on a tight budget, you don't have much money to spare, I would say you go for this. But if you have the money, please go for this and you would enjoy it. So after my pre-cleansing in the shower, the next thing I do is to now have my bath proper, okay? And for that I will go ahead using a body wash that would have a good scent, because I build my scent from the shower. You cannot catch me outside and you will not catch me smelling nice. That one, I'm so heavy on smelling nice, okay? And I build this scent from the shower. So once I'm done with the pre-cleansing, I will go ahead and now use a body wash that smells amazing, that would help to actually do the work that is supposed to do on my skin. And for body washes that smells amazing and also moisturize the skin, hydrate the skin, and also get the job done, is this Olay, okay? I use Olay niacinamide body wash. This particular body wash moisturizes your skin for the whole 24 hours, although you know you're going to still have your night bath. So at least for a good number of hours, your skin will still be moisturized and very soft. Your skin will be smelling nice as well. This body wash contains niacinamide, which helps to get rid of dark spots and also tighten up large visible pores on your skin. It contains citric acid that will actually help to gently exfoliate your skin. It also contains sodium benzoate, which actually preserves this body wash and also calm the skin, okay? This body wash is gentle. It does not strip your skin of its natural oil, rather it will help to lock in moisture and hydrate your skin. If you're using Olay products, you would know this particular body wash, they say it actually promises to give you a visibly better skin in 14 days, and it does not dry the skin. If you are struggling with dry skin, sensitive skin, a skin that have just refused to be moisturized, I would recommend that you go for this. In my morning body care routine, I do not go ahead to use any lightening or brightening product, because I'll be going out under the sun. Even if I'm not going out under the sun, I will not still use lightening or brightening product, because I cannot be too sure that I will not leave the house. The main thing you need in your morning body care routine are hydrating and moisturizing products that will moisturize your skin so well and leave your skin to be supple and soft, like as smooth and soft as a baby's skin. Do you get that? These are the kind of product you need in your morning body care routine, and you will see that at night when you now use your lightening or your brightening products, it will now work effectively. Do you get? This is my own hack, and I just said let me share it in this video. After the body wash from Olay, I would go ahead to moisturize my skin. That time I am out from the shower, okay? I will now go ahead to lock in moisture from the body care products I already use in the shower. Lock in moisture, lock in hydration, so that my skin will not be ashy, will not be scaly, and my skin will not be too dry. When it comes to body lotions, you guys already know that I'm a Dove girly, okay? Because Dove invigorating care helps to moisturize my skin and it helps to give me that fresh looking skin that I deserve. It helps to hydrate my skin, lock in moisture. This does not brighten the skin, okay? But if you cannot lay your hands on the Dove, if your skin is too dry, too sensitive, eczema prone, and you're looking for that body lotion that would help to get the job done, and you don't want to get Dove, I would recommend that you get this E45. E45 is a banger. This E45 24 hours moisturizing body lotion would help to moisturize and lock in moisture onto your skin. If you want to lock in moisture like on another level, I would say that you get this. But if you don't have a very dry skin and you still want to just lock in moisture in the morning, you get Dove. But if you have a dry or sensitive skin, please get this. If you have a normal skin, a skin that is not too dry, a skin that is not sensitive, you get Dove. Do you understand the difference now? This body lotion contains lanolin that would help to lock in extra moisture onto your skin. It is amazing. They say it is suitable for eczema prone skin. It visibly restores extremely dry skin. It reduces redness and scaling and flaking. Let me tell you, if your skin is dry, if your skin is scaling, if your skin is flaky, it's not how you can have a brighter looking skin. No matter the kind of brightening product that you're using at night or using in your body care routine. Number one hack I want you to grab in this video is that your skin has to be moisturized and hydrated for your skincare products to work on your skin, okay? And that is the reason why I use this too. I either use this or I use this to achieve this radiant skin that you're seeing here, to achieve a moisturized and hydrated looking skin. And once I'm done applying my body lotion, the next thing I want to do is to lock in and seal in the ingredient that comes from the body lotion so that I will actually stay hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. I'll be doing that using a baby oil, and the baby oil that I'm currently using now is this one from Nasil. This is Nasil baby oil. This is Nasil baby oil that is newly improved for babies, okay? Although I'm also a baby girl, hello. So if particular want to actually lock in moisture and seal in hydration from my body lotion, this one is very good. And one thing I like about it is that it comes with this spray applicator that helps you to easily spray it on your body, and also like for the products to actually get evenly distributed on your skin. It contains 425 ml, which is very big, and it is very affordable for the price you're going to be getting it. It is lightweight and it bubbles so well. For you to know that it is original, you're going to be seeing these crystal bubbles on it. If you're going to buy it in the market and your own does not bubble like this, just so that you're getting the fake already. See how I apply it on my skin. I will go ahead and spray it on my skin like this, okay? As you can see it now. And then I will now go ahead to blend it in onto my skin, okay? So see the one that I applied the baby oil, and see the hand that does not have the baby oil. See how moisturized this one is looking, how glowy this one is looking, how radiant this one is looking, and look at how dry this one is looking. So you're going to be needing a baby oil in your body care routine. Do not use your lightening or brightening body oils in the morning. You're going to get darker. It is going to burn you. I hear most of you complain, and I use Desire, I use Skin Point, I use Indima, and I'm getting darker. Of course, you're going to get darker. You're going to get darker. And for this baby oil, please don't use it on your face. Do not use it on your face. It's only for your body. It's a body oil, not face oil. And another thing I love about this body oil is that it smells amazing. Like, it smells so nice. In fact, I would want you to try it so that you would come back and thank me later. Like, this particular body oil helps to hydrate, moisturize, and the scent is amazing. It's amazing. You're going to be building a good scent if you use this body oil, okay? This particular routine is designed to actually wash your skin very well and give you that hydration that you need, moisturize your skin, lock in moisture, make you to smell nice. That is what your morning body care routine should be targeting, should look like. Very basic and then straight to the point. There should not be any brightening or lightening product when it comes to your morning body care routine. Please, there is none in my body care routine. And this is the reason why when I use my lightening body care products at night or brightening body care products at night, I would get a good result. My skin will blend, my skin will be popping because I'm using them the right way. And there you have it, my loves. This is the video that you guys requested for that I've created. This is my morning body care routine, and these are the products that I use in my morning body care routine that helps to hydrate my skin, moisturize my skin, and give me me a plump looking skin. If you have watched this particular point, you are the real MVP. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to someone that is having a dry looking skin, that skin refuses to pop, someone that is looking for a basic morning body care routine. Share the video to such persons, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so that I'll be the very person to get notified once I upload a new video on YouTube here. And like this video, like I said, like the video, drop a comment in the comment section telling me any of these products that you already use or the one I'm going to be purchasing because I just reviewed it. And until next time, my loves, stay hydrated, stay moisturized, stay glowy, and bye.